Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to add a course in Duolingo. So let's have a look now. At first, open Duolingo app or web browser. To add a course, hit this plug icon at the top and select Course. Once you select Course, this is where you will choose any of the language course you want to add. Select the language course you want to learn. Click on Continue and now select your level of learning. After that, it will add as a new language course and you can start learning. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.